Hello everyone and welcome back to another exciting video. In this video, we are going to show how to remove objects from your image or photo using Canva. So let's get started. First things first, open your Canva account and then click Create a Design. Whether you choose one of the pre-made sizes or you create a custom size, here I'm going to create my custom size 500 pixels by 500 pixels and then click Create New Design. Then you have to upload your image that you want to remove objects from. You can use the upload section to upload your photo, or you can choose one from the photo section. If you didn't find it right here, just click in the apps section and type photo in the search bar, then click on it, and it will be automatically added to the sidebar. Okay, I will search for another image on Google. For example, I will look for some room setup. For example, this image looks great. It contains so many objects that we can remove. So all you have to do is drag this image and drop it in the Canva platform just like that. I would make it a little bit bigger so we can see clearly the objects that we're going to remove. So let's start the work. First, make sure that you select an image, then an Edit Photo button will appear in the top toolbar. Click on it, and a new set of options will appear on the left side. This time, we will use the magic eraser, so click on it. Then, the cursor will be switched to a brush that you can resize as you want. So now, I'm going to zoom a little bit towards the object, and then I will select it using the brush. We have to wait a little bit while it analyzes the image and tries to remove it for us. And here is exactly where Canva does its magic and leaves the object completely removed. As you see here in the image, there is still some black shadow on the table, but we will remove it as well using the same method. Let's try now to remove another one, for example, this one. And as you see, it's gone. And for the little black shadow that's still here on the table, we can select it again with the brush tool, and you will see that it's completely removed. So to be honest with you guys, I'm really happy with the results that I got. It would absolutely take a lot of time if we used another tool, but here, just with a few clicks, you can remove objects in a good way. So let me remove another object on the table. Let's see, for this object in this corner. Okay, it's gone. If we continue like that, we will delete everything in this room. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.